Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In this video we are going to solve the problems from exercise 4.2. So these all are depends upon what we discussed in the previous video, that are complementary angles, supplementary angles, conjugate angles, vertically opposite angles and linear pair and so on. So if you know these all, then we can solve these problems easily. So let us see. So exercise 4.2, in that first problem, in the given figure, three lines AB, CD and EF, AB, CD and EF intersecting at O. Find the values of X, Y and Z. Have to find X, Y, Z. It is being given that X is to Y is to Z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. So here, what are given? Lines AB, CD and EF intersecting at O. And by intersecting these three lines, they are formed three angles. So the ratio of the angles is given, that is X is to Y is to Z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. So what is given? X is to angle Y is to angle Z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Before that, these two angles are, that is angle AOC is Z and AOC equal to BOD. This angle equal to this angle, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, they are like this. Okay, these two are vertically opposite. This is angle AOC and it is BOD. So AOC equal to BOD, since vertically opposite angles. Okay, that I am writing. So angle AOC equal to angle BOD, since vertically opposite angles. So here, what is angle AOC? AOC equal to Z. It is the Z equal to angle BOD. Therefore, angle BOD equal to Z. And this is the Z. So here, observe these angles X, Z and Y. So they are on a line. Okay, they are on the line. So these three are supplementary angles. That means sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. Okay, since these three angles are on this line, therefore sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. So that means angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to divide this 180 into this ratio. Okay, so ఈ 180ని ఈ రేషియోలో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. So to divide in this ratio, first of all you have to find the sum of the ratio. Already you know that process. Okay, so let us see. Sum of angles, that is X plus Y plus Z equal to how much? 2 plus 3 plus 5, that equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. This is sum of angles. Then to find X, you have to divide 180 into 10 parts and multiply with 2. 180ని 10 partsగా డివైడ్ చేసి X ఎన్ని parts ఉండాలి? 2 parts. So that is 180 by 10 into 2. Okay, so that is angle X equal to 180 by 10 into 2. 0, 0 get cancelled. Angle X equal to 18 to the 36 degrees. Next, angle Y equal to 180 divided into 10 parts and into Y is 3 parts. So into 3. 0, 0 get cancelled. Angle Y equal to 18 3 is 54 degrees. Next, angle Z equal to 180 by 10 into 5. So 0, 0 get cancelled. Angle Z equal to 18 5 is 90 degrees. So what is our question? Find the values of X, Y and Z. So we got here X, Y and Z. Okay. So next, second problem is. So here second one is find the value of X in the following figures. In that first one is, so here AOC. Here AC is a line and OB stands on AC. So they form two angles. So we know that these two are linear pair. These two are linear pair. Therefore, what are given? Angle AOB equal to 3x plus 18 and angle COB equal to 93. So here angle AOC plus angle COB equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. So next, angle AOC is angle AOB is, this is angle AOB, 3x plus 18 plus angle COB is 93 equal to 180. So 3x plus 93 plus 18, 111 equal to 180. So 3x equal to, transposing right side, that will become minus 111. That is 3x equal to 180 minus 11. So 69. X equal to 69 into 3 will become by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, X equal to 23 degrees. Okay, second one is angle AOB equal to x minus 24, angle BOC equal to 29 and AOC equal to 296. This is reflex angle. So here, so first of all you have to write the given angle AOC equal to 296 degrees, angle AOB equal to x minus 24 degrees and angle BOC equal to 29 degrees. These are given. So by observing these all and these, you can say that these three, sum of these three angles is 360 degrees. That is complete angle. This is the complete angle. Okay. Therefore, angle AOC from here to here plus angle BOC plus angle AOB equal to 360 degrees. AOC is 296 plus BOC 29 degrees plus AOB is x minus 24 equal to 360. So here 296 plus 29, 325 plus x minus 24 equal to 360. 325 minus 24, that is 301 plus x equal to 360. That is x equal to 360, transposing right side, it will become minus 301. X equal to 360 minus 301, 59 degrees. Okay, third one is, so here this AC and BD intersecting at O and they are passing a line. So here angle AOB equal to 2 plus 3x and angle COD equal to 62 degrees. So in this we have x that you have to find. So what are given? Angle AOB equal to 2 plus 3x and COD equal to 62 degrees. By observing these two, angle AOB equal to angle COD. Since what type of these two angles? Observe these two. So these are vertically opposite angles. So therefore AOB is 2 plus 3x equal to COD is 62 degrees. Then 3x equal to 62, transposing right side it will become minus 2, and 3x equal to 62 minus 2, 60. Then x equal to 60 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are and 0. Therefore x equal to 20 degrees. The next fourth one is okay. So here angle AOB equal to 40 degrees. So and angle BOC equal to 6x plus 2. So what are given? Angle AOB equal to 40 degrees and angle BOC equal to 6x plus 2. So here given this perpendicular side, that means this angle is 90. If it is 90, it should be 90. That means sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. That means these two are complementary angles. So angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 90 degrees, since complementary angles. Okay. So here angle AOB is 40 degrees plus BOC is 6x plus 2 equal to 90 degrees. 40 plus 2, 42 equal to 90 degrees. So 6x equal to 90 minus 42. So here 6x equal to 48. So x equal to 48 into 6 will become by 6. 6 ones are 6 8s are. So therefore x equal to 8. So next third bit. Okay, third one is in the given figure line AB and CD intersect at O. These AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degrees, angle AOC, this angle, plus angle BOE, sum of these two angles is 70 degrees. So this is, and angle BOD equal to 40 degrees, BOD equal to 40 degrees, this is given. Find angle BOE, this you have to find, and reflex angle COE, its reflex. Its reflex means this angle. This you have to find. Okay, so let us see. So first of all, what is given? AB and CD intersect at O. So and what is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees and angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. These are given. So here AOC, BOE equal to 70 degrees. So by observing this, AOC and BOD are equal. Why? Because why they are equal? These two are vertically opposite angles. So therefore angle AOC equal to angle BOD, since vertically opposite angles. We know that angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. Therefore angle AOC is also equal to 40 degrees. Next, here from this angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. In that we know that angle AOC equal 40 degrees. Replacing AOC with 40. 40 plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOE equal to 70. Transposing right side, it will become minus 40. So angle BOE equal to 30 degrees. We got first one. We got this. Next to second one is, what is the second one? Have to find reflex of angle COE. How can you get that? Reflex angle COE equal to, so this angle equals, we can write this angle plus this angle plus this. Okay, so sum of these three, 1, 2 and 3. So here that is angle AOD plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. Okay, so here by observing this, okay, this is not AOD, this is COD, sorry, COD. So angle from here to here, so COD, okay, COD, it is a straight line, so 180 degrees. Angle on straight line, okay, so this is 180 plus angle BOD equal to 40 degrees, so 40 degrees plus angle BOE 30 degrees, so that equals 30 plus 40 70, 70 plus 180 250 degrees. So reflex angle COE equal to 250 degrees. Fourth question is, in the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. So intersecting at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degrees, POY, this is 90 degrees, and A is to B equal to 2:3. Find C. Okay, so first of all, what are given? XY and MN intersect at O, and angle POY equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90. So by observing this, so it is a line, so it is 90 means A plus B should be 90. Okay, so here that means OP is perpendicular to XY. If it is perpendicular, so it is 90, so it should be 90. Okay, therefore A plus B equal to 90 degrees. But what is given? A is to B equal to 2:3. So to divide 90 into in this ratio, you have to find first sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio, that is A plus B equal to 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. Sum of the ratio equal to 5. So here angle A equal to, how can you get A? So total value is 90, divided into 5 parts, and into A is 2 parts. So 5 ones are 5, 4 remainder, 5 8s are 40, 18 2s are 36 degrees. So angle A equal to 36. Angle B equal to 90 by 5 into 3. So 5 ones are 5 18s are 90. So that is 18 3s are 54. Angle B equal to 54. But in our question, is asking find C. So you have to find this C. So by observing this, angle B and C are linear pair. So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair, what is the B? So here it is B, small b. Okay, so what is the B? 54 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So angle C equal to 180, taking right side it will become minus 54. Angle C equal to 126. So angle C equal to 126. In this video we solved 4 problems. In next video we will do from 5th problem. So thank you one and all.